welcome to this video where we will be taking a look at the Nectar Smell Proof set, which includes a Nectar Smell Proof case and a whole range of accessories, as well as talking to you guys about all the tips and tricks to know that are specific to this product. This set is perfect for vaping, rolling, and anyone generally looking to lock away the scent of their goods. One of the things I love about it is the lockable zip, which keeps your goods safe from anyone who might be snooping around in your belongings. The case also features multiple layers of carbon lining for effective odor proofing, and it's been designed with 1700D fabric, which is essentially high density fabric, giving it its IP54 water protective status, meaning it will protect your goods from splashes of water. The Nectar Smell Proof case comes with an aluminium grinder, UV stash jar, 9 Mylar bags of 3 different sizes, a smell-proof stash container, and a smell-proof vape pouch. But we will get into all of that in a moment, so let's get on with it. Before we continue with the video, if you're enjoying the video or finding it helpful, then remember to hit the like button. If you want to stay tuned with our latest videos, then please subscribe to our channel and hit the bell button to be notified when we release new content. And most importantly, if you have any questions, then drop them in the comment section below, and we will get answering within a day or two. The first key feature is the maximum odor absorptive activated carbon layers. The Nectar Smell Proof case utilizes superior odor control through an activated carbon layer, which traps and hides unwanted odors and aromas. This smell proof bag boasts 100% scent interception, which has also been verified as effective when tested with dogs. With this bag, you will never have to worry about any scent escaping again. A key feature which is essential for stash bags is privacy and storage, and of course our Nectar stash bag provides you with both. Our Nectar Smell Proof bag has a combination lock which maximizes privacy and the safety of your goods. You can easily set any 3-digit code you wish, just like this. Make sure that you have both of your zips at the front of your bag, and then here is the button that you want to push, which will unlock and lock your bag. So as you can see, it's set at 000 at the moment. I haven't put a combination in yet. Slot, that's how it works. You slot them in like that. You put them in and push it, but you're going to have to do them both at the same time, which will be difficult to show, but I will try my best. So I've got one in. I'm going to hold that there while I put the other one in, and there you go. It is very straightforward. The more you do it, the easier it will get. Now, to set the combination, what you will need is something small and pointy. For example, I have a pen, and up here you will see there's a tiny little button. So if you push this, it will basically allow you to reset the lock, but it has to be in your combination. Obviously, when you get the bag, there'll be no combination, but if you've already done it before, you will have to have it in your combination in order to reset it. So let's set it to, just for fun, we're gonna set it to 420. So there we go, and that's it. And you simply just press that to like set it in, and from now on, look, you can use it. You can push the button at 420, but if it was at a complete different number, you cannot push the button. So it is completely secure. No one can reset your lock. No one can get into your bag. It is completely private and secure. With a size of 20 by 10 by 7 centimeters, the smell-proof bag is big enough to store all your necessities, but small enough to be light and easily transportable. The odor-proof pouch contains removable dividers to help to keep your accessories organized perfectly, which is another key feature that all stash bags need to have. It will honestly make your life so much easier and your vaping or smoking experience more efficient. The Nectar smell-proof bag is made of a durable 1700D waterproof fabric, which has a much higher density than its 420D and 600D counterparts, and hence its water-resistant capabilities can ensure items stored within the odor-proof bag are dry and safe in harsh environments and/or accidental spills. It is IP54 rated. Honestly, with a waterproof shell, could this product get any better? Of course, one of the biggest key features and bonuses of this product are the accessories. The Nectar smell-proof bag comes with a full range of accessories, allowing you to carry out a full range of activities without needing to purchase extras, including a 50mm aluminium grinder, a 50ml UV stash jar, 9 Mylar bags, 3 of which are 1/8 of an ounce, another 3 which are 1/4 of an ounce, and the last 3 are 1 ounce. You also get 2 smell-proof containers, which are 175ml, and 1 smell-proof vape pouch. And if you are familiar with our products, then you'll already know about this last benefit I'm about to mention. But if you don't, then let me tell you. We have so much confidence in our products that we offer a 2-year no-hassle warranty with all devices. You also get a 30-day money-back guarantee and 24/7 lifetime customer care across multiple channels. So if you ever experience any issues at all or have any questions, then please feel free to shoot us a message on WhatsApp or give us a call. Let's take a closer look at the products that you receive, starting off with the grinder. This is a 4-piece herb grinder, also known as the Nectar Pollen Easier grinder. It is a premium aluminium 4-piece herb grinder that mills a variety of dry herb and spices into a fluffy-like consistency without blockage, unlike the inferior zinc alloy models. A sturdy yet light herb grinder with sharp diamond-shaped teeth, reducing time and effort grinding herbs. When you use the Pollen Easier grinder, you will agree with us that it is possibly the best grinder on the market. The strong magnetic lid sits firmly with a tight fit, whether upside down or in a pocket, and the grippers around the lid aid in grinding. The micron ultra-fine mesh catches the particles in the chamber of the herb grinder. A little bonus is that it's designed and made in the UK. Some of our other products speak for themselves, but let's go through them anyway. For example, the UV stash jar. This is perfect for keeping your herbs inside without losing any quality at all. It is tightly sealed and it protects the herb against UV. It is made of glass and is perfect for storing all things from herbs to spices to coffee. The Mylar bags are also perfect for storing your herbs in, or even other herb-related things that can leave a scent. These Mylar bags work really well at keeping smell inside, so this combined with the actual stash bag is the ultimate combo for keeping all smells at bay. These smell-proof containers are also perfect for storing your herb in, especially if you're out and about, as they are super compact, store a very decent amount, and are extremely effective in keeping all smells sealed inside. Finally, the vape pouch. This is a necessity if you own a vaporizer, as it simply slips inside the pouch. It is completely smell-proof, so no one will know that you have a dry herb vaporizer on you. And one of the best features about this pouch is the size of it. It can quite literally slot inside your pocket or purse, and you can even bring it out and about with you. It also features a zip compartment, which can come in handy. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. We hope that you found it helpful and informative. And remember, if you enjoyed the video, then remember to hit the like button. And if you found it helpful or simply want to stay tuned with our latest videos, then please subscribe to our channel and hit the bell button to be notified when we release new content. And most importantly, if you guys have any questions at all, then drop them in the comment section below and we'll get answering within a day or two. Have a great day, guys, and we hope to see you next time. Be good, and if you can't be good, be careful.